Hello, in this video, I would like to show you how to install our sunlight variable direct replacement sunlight variable LCD screen into this Allen Bradley 9 series HMI monitors. Okay, this is our part number of the screen. This direct replacement comes with the upgraded LED strip kits and special wire adapters and LED driver. Our part number for this direct replacement screen is 8520-FOP-LCD. Okay, let's set it aside. Take a look. This model on the back. All right, this is it. So it's a 8520 FOP. So series 9. This is basically just monitor and power supply. This power supply. This is you need to apply the input signal to it. So in order to replace to replace the screen, upgrade the LCD screen, and first we had to remove this part out, and then we had to remove all these screws, small screws out. Okay, this screw, first one, we're gonna remove this. See this? So before you disconnect anything, I always like to put a mark into it just in case. Okay, and disconnect this. Okay, and disconnect this. Okay. All right, so set aside this module. Next things that we're going to be take out all these screws, small screws, and take this cover out and look at the screens. Okay, I just take all the screws out. So first we're going to remove this one first and flick it over. As you can see, there's another one. This is power supply. So don't worry about they're different, different size, okay, different type. And then we're gonna take this one out. Again, I want to do the markings here. And oh, there's one screw we need to remove it. Okay, that was handing the ground wire. Okay, this is out. Let me set that aside here. Now you can see the screen, almost see the screen here. This is the inverter, and this is the screen. So we're gonna take this one out. And let me see, see that? So this is the inverter. Okay, we're gonna mount it right back there. And then let's take out the screen first. Okay, let me disconnect this wire. All right, so let's just set aside. So this is the screen, we just took it out. The inverters here, we're gonna mount the inverter right back at the same locations. And then this is the screens. Okay, so first I would like to mount the screen first. Okay, disconnect this. I'm gonna flick over. Remove this 4 screws and then the front bezel. Okay, the last one's out. Okay, this is lift up this. Oh, this is actually a piece of glass. And set it here. Oh, I'm going to set it here. Okay, and then this is the light. This is up front. Okay, this is the bottom. Okay, this is actually Robert. Here we go. I'm gonna be very careful that there's no screw here, so just a washer. And then we remove the washer. We remove 2 screws here, and on the back, then we can take out the screen. So this is the last screw. It's a long screw. I already pushed disconnect already. Just pull out. Just be careful. Keep the attention. There's 2 spacer connectors. Then we're gonna put the new screen. Okay, we're gonna connect it back. Okay. Put it like this, it's a little bit easier, I think. See, like this. Yeah. And then we flip over and put the 2 screws. So I just put the screw back, push the connector back. I'm gonna remove this one. And then if a little bit dirty, you clean a little bit here. Then we are ready to put everything back. Let me clean the screen a little bit here. Now I just clean up the screen. So let's put these two washers and put back the rubber things like this. Okay. Okay. And then put a, here we go. Put this guy here. Put the glass back. I'm going to put all the screw back and then we put it back to the main chassis. Okay, the last screw is on. We're going to put it back on the main chassis. Make sure it's clean. Okay. Okay, here's the chassis. Okay. So, we're going to put it like this. Mount it back. We took all the cables out, just like this. Stick it in, like that. Just end to. Okay. Yeah, here we go. Okay, see this? It's in. It's out. Okay, this is here. Okay, now we're gonna first. I would like to put back this 6 screw that holding this chassis first. Then we're gonna mount our inverters. So I put back all these 6 screws, 3 each side, that holding the LG screen panels. Okay, so now let's move the inverter here. Inverter looks like it was holding by the plastic screw here. So we can mount back. I was thinking that you're gonna mount back to the same location here, the inverters. Okay, let's remove the inverter and take a look. So I just took out the inverter here. So I'm thinking we're gonna mount here. So this is actually a plastic pole. I can remove it. Perfect. Okay, I need to take my LED wire out first. Okay. So we just took out an inverter. We took out a plastic screw. But one thing I want to mention it is that we're gonna mount the inverter back here. So when you mount this screen back to this metal bracket, be careful to pull the LED wire out first. Otherwise, it's a little bit tricky to take it out. Okay, so basically we're gonna mount back the same location. It looks like it's gonna be long enough. Let me see. Let me put this tool here. Mount it like this. See if long. Yeah, it's long enough. Okay, we're gonna relocate this wire. Okay, so we're gonna clean a little bit here. Oh, and then before we connect it back, we need to connect this. See that? This is called wire adapters. One end connect to here. This one, which is original, connect to inverter. See this? So make sure this end, this latch on this end, which is match the yellow wire. You cannot go like this. You can push in. So you can only go by this way. Otherwise, the backlight lamp won't work. Okay. Then you connect here. You peel off this tape. Double side cover tape, and I want to do like this. See? Perfect. We're going to end a piece of wire to secure this. Well, it's done. I just, put it here and a piece of wire. Tape to secure it. We're going to put this one back. So this one first, we need to screw back. This is screw, the small screw here, and then we put everything back. Hello, I put back everything, the screw, cover, and this module, and because let's try to turn it on. I connect the power source here. Probably not much we can do because I want to show you this is very old video input. Could be TTL. I don't have that signal, but anyway, let's fire up. Nice and bright. Thank you for watching.